The PRUVEEO 2K mirror dashcam is equipped with a 3-channel system that includes a front camera, an inside cabin camera, and a rear camera, providing comprehensive coverage for safer driving. With its 12-inch high-definition touchscreen, this dashcam offers real-time viewing from all 3 cameras, enhancing both driving and parking experiences. The dashcam is designed with a wide-angle lens, reducing blind spots significantly and capturing detailed footage from all angles. It features a 24-hour parking monitor that activates upon detecting collisions, ensuring continuous surveillance and protection of your vehicle. The infrared night vision capability ensures that the inside cabin camera can capture clear images even in complete darkness, offering reliability for nighttime driving. High-performance CMOS sensors enable all cameras to record in high definition, maintaining clear visuals in low light conditions and supporting safe parking with its rear camera's night vision.